If you like pancakes, you're gonna love my super easy version of strawberry cardamom pancakes with a toasted coconut cashew sprinkle over the top. They are absolutely delicious and they come together in a jiffy. Let's get started. To make these pancakes, first you need to toast the coconut and the cashews together. Then I'm using a pancake mix to make this even easier. Add in the warming spice of cardamom, which I love, some good vanilla. I like vanilla paste. Crack in an egg, a small whisk, and then add in your milk, and then combine this thoroughly. Let it set while you butter a griddle or a skillet, and then dollop on your pancake batter in whatever size pancakes you want. While those cook, just sprinkle on some chopped strawberries and then give them a flip, and basically that's it. You serve them along with some chopped strawberries that you've combined with a little bit of maple syrup, and then don't forget that lovely toasted cashew coconut sprinkle that gives these amazing flavor and texture, and then dig right in. These are such delicious pancakes.